Investing is easy. Chances are, if you have opened a book or you have watched some video about investing, especially in Bursa Malaysia, you would think that, hey, it sounds easy, it sounds doable, just buy when the market is down and just buy good share and hold them for a long time. But if you have been trying that for some time in the past, especially 1 or 2 years before this, you may discover maybe that's not the case. Maybe you have tried that method and what you found is right now you have a portfolio. What we call a portfolio is in your account, the number of shares and cash included is in red. In red means it's in losses. Why is that so? Why do we have so many people having their portfolio stuck in red losses? Now, last time I didn't know this until I started reviewing some of the portfolio that outside people come to me and they show me and I see, how come a lot of the stocks they have are in, they're holding on all the losses. So why is that so? After reviewing many portfolios, what I discovered is people who lose money usually, or if they are stuck in investing, usually it's because of one of these 3 reasons. And what are the 3 reasons? Number 1 is FOMO. What does FOMO mean? FOMO means fear of missing out. That means you, last time, maybe for example, just throwing example, not recommendation to buy or sell, right? Maybe MYEG suddenly go up a lot and then you think, hey, maybe it's time to chase without knowing what it is, even though you have gone to courses or you have read books or you've watched videos about, be patient, know what you're buying. But the moment you see everybody chasing the share price going up, seems like it's going higher and higher, you chase and you buy. The moment you buy, tomorrow it starts to drop and you're holding it saying it's long-term good investment, which it could be or it could not be. You do not know. That's why you're stuck and you do not know what to do because you do not have the indicator, the pointer, you do not know exactly what's your game plan. You just buy. You didn't have a proper plan. Why do you do so? Because of greed, right? You have fear of missing out. Everybody is making the money. Everybody else in the office is buying this share and they're making money and you are not. So that's why you follow. Hey, I lose money. Everybody lost money. Hey, let's lose money together, right? So that's the reason why you're stuck in the portfolio. Second is you could be confused, right? Number 1 thing that I've discovered about a lot of people is they confuse investing and trading, right? They buy into a stock. They think they're going to sell that stock in 3 to 5 weeks because they have a hot tips or because based on the technical chart, it seems like it's going to go up. But what they discovered is after they buy, the stock becomes stagnant and maybe go down a little bit. So they're holding on to it. Day by day go by, week by week go by. Now it's become months, they're still holding into the share and they come to me and say, hey, Ming Tek, I'm stuck, my money is stuck with this share, what should I do? Right? Then they'll tell, after I tell, hey, I don't think this is a good, your strategy is to buy and sell, right? Then after that, why are you holding it? Then you go and tell me, hey, it's a long-term investment. How could something that is for trading become an investment? So you have to understand, there's a difference between trading and investing, right? A lot of you out there, if I'm not wrong, right, based on your behavior, you're all traders. Very few of you are investors, right? The investors that are out there are the auntie, uncle that go and buy the blue chip and say for the long term, like Sime Darby, Nestle, Maybank, for the long term, those are investor, real investor, but maybe not fast growth investor, but just investor, right? Those that buy because of hot tips and want to sell, don't call yourself investor. You're a trader, right? Nothing wrong with that. We are all just here to make money, but you're a trader. So you have to know the strategy. Especially as a trader, you have to have portfolio management, which is what we'll be talking about later. And you need to know how to look at chart, follow news, be very, very aware because it's a very difficult game to win, right? But you could make more return compared to those who are investing if you are good, right? So don't confuse that. Usually when people lose money, either FOMO, fear of missing out, they chase something, then, it didn't turn out, they say it's for long-term investment. That's why you have a portfolio of all losses. Then after that, you put all your egg into one basket, or maybe you do not even have this thing called portfolio management. What is this? This is all the eggs in one basket. But I'm actually not talking about diversification because everybody knows you must diversify. But how many shares should you be diversifying? Sometimes when you open some people's portfolio, right, there's like 100 shares. They think they are what? ETF. Fund manager, is it? You have 100 shares. But how you only invest about 100 to 200,000, right? So why are you buying so many shares? Right? So if you want to grow rich, the secret is not in diversifying. The secret is to find really solid investment and go big on them. Maybe you only need 3 to 5. But that's only a small part of portfolio management. There's also what we call a cut loss. There's also risk management. All this you have to learn. Now, if what I say in this video resonates with you, sounds like it makes sense to you and you would like to learn more, I've created a training at the button below or at the link above. You can go ahead and register, whereby I'll talk in depth about these three things, right? My name is Meng Teck. I'm the founder of Savvy Investment. I've trained hundreds of people on how to start investing, and I've coached them after they have started investing. And along the way, I see many examples of people who are successful and people who struggle, and I know the difference, right? So I will tell you, if you can fix this problem properly, which will be taught in depth in the training, whether you're a beginner or you're someone that has been investing but not happy with the result, you should register to the training and join me there. I'll talk in depth how to fix this, and I believe once you fix this problem, your result, your return, your profit should increase. Now, even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry, because maybe what I say here sounds advanced, but I tell you what, it's very simple. Learning investing is easy. The difficult part is managing your portfolio, which is more about emotion and attitude, all right? If it sounds good to you, go ahead and register, and I hope to see you there.